We're out here on strike because currently, as it stands, we work anywhere between 50 and 100 hours or even longer in a week. We do shifts of 24, 48 hours at a time, and that's unsafe for patients and unsafe for us as well.
I'm a surgical registrar. I'm out of college about 11 years now. My average hours per week would be about 80, but every fourth week we do usually over 120 hours.
Especially if you don't have a good kind of night's sleep behind you, you can be kind of worried. You're worried that you're making the right decision. You're worried if you're in the right state of mind to be making the decisions you're making.
Very, very tired doctors are liable to make mistakes, and this is what it's mostly about here is patient safety. From a personal point of view, I found that my health was very badly damaged by working these hours, and I could see it happening in friends and colleagues as well.
It's dangerous to be being treated by a doctor who hasn't slept in over 36 hours. You know, little mistakes can happen when you've been on call that long.
Despite prolonged negotiations with the HSE, the HSE aren't giving us the guarantees we need that these unsafe hours are going to be changed.
I think everyone here hoped that it would never come to a strike. We all want to be inside of work, helping our patients. That's what we do, and we would ideally like to be back. And I really hope that the government listens to this one case. And we really do not want to go back on strike again, but we can't continue the way we're going.